smartphone. This is Realme X. It has 6.53 inches and AMOLED display. It is bezel-less. It has a fingerprint scanner. Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Hey guys, this is the box. Now I am going to open. It has 8 GB RAM. Now I have already opened. Now let's see the box.
This is a telephone.
128 GB internal storage. The mobile. Now let's see what's in the box. There is a pin and a booklet and a cover. Now in this box there is a charger and a cable. Dual camera, 48 megapixel. The picture quality is very good. It has 3750 mAh battery. It will last for one full day. Charger and a Type-C cable. It has face unlock feature. Different colors. It's still not launched in India. See friends, this is the look. Look. It's really beautiful. Look the back side. Look the front side. Pop-up camera. Look how it is. When I press the camera, the button comes up. Thank you. Bye.